In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access the built-in AI tools and start using voice input instead of typing. If you've just logged in, take a moment to let the page fully load so all the menu options are visible and ready to use. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu. You'll use this menu to move between different tools and features inside the platform, so if you're new to the layout, it's helpful to get familiar with this area. From that left side menu, click on Ask AI. This will open the AI workspace where you can interact directly with Gohighlevel's AI assistant. If you've used the text prompt box before, this page will look familiar because the voice feature works from the same area. Next, move your attention to the prompt box. This is the section where you would normally type a question or instruction for the AI. Instead of typing, you're going to switch to voice input so you can speak your request out loud. This can be much faster and more natural, especially when you want to explain something in detail. Now click on Use Voice. As soon as you do that, your browser may ask for permission to access your microphone, especially if it's your first time using the feature. This is completely normal. The voice tool needs microphone access in order to hear and process what you say. Before you continue, check that your microphone is enabled. If your microphone is blocked, muted, or set to the wrong device, the feature may not work properly. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct microphone is selected in your browser or computer settings so your voice is picked up clearly. Once your microphone is enabled, you can start talking. Speak clearly and at a normal pace, and try to keep background noise to a minimum for better accuracy. You can say your question, instruction, or prompt just like you would in a regular conversation. The clearer your request is, the better the AI can respond. After a few seconds, the AI will answer back. Depending on your request and connection speed, there may be a short pause while it processes your voice input. If needed, you can repeat the process and continue using voice to interact with the AI more naturally inside Gohighlevel. And that's how to use voice in Gohighlevel.